Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'll be showing you how to do these cute mix-match Halloween nails. To start off, I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to use is Kira Sky's Amulet. This is a nice deep purple, and we're going to paint this on my pinky, ring finger, as well as my thumb. The next color we're going to use is Kira Sky's Caution. It's a neon orange, but it's also perfect for Halloween nails. We're going to paint this on my middle finger. And for the pointer finger, we're going to be using Madame Glam's Perfect White. I went ahead and I did 2 coats of each color while curing for 2 minutes in between. Next, we're going to take a No Cleanse top coat and we're going to paint it on all of the purple fingers, so the pinky, ring finger, and thumb. Here, I'm taking Martha Stewart's Fine Glitter in Tanzanite, and I'm going to dip my pinky and my thumb in this glitter to give it a sugar texture to the nail. And this Tanzanite glitter matches perfectly with Kira Sky's Amulet. I am going to tap off any extra glitter, and then after this is cured, we will brush off the excess glitter with a duster brush. For my ring finger, I already have that cured with the tackless top coat, so we're going to go in with Ocean Nail Supply's Rainbow Holographic Powder. And I'm going to apply it with a brush, and then I'm going to rub it in with my finger. Here I'm taking some nail glue from Sally's. I'm going to brush it down the middle of my nail on my orange finger. We're going to be applying some Swarovski crystals in the shade Amethyst. We're going to be using my crystal katana to apply them. So here I just applied them from largest to smallest going down the nail. Here I'm going back in and putting that tackless top coat over the holographic powder, and we're going to give that a full cure. Now we're going to take some black and white acrylic paint to do some nail art. This is my favorite brand. I get this from my local craft store, either Michael's or Hobby Lobby has them. I'm going to be using a striping brush to do my long lines, and for any detail work I'm going to be using my Midi Burns brush in Minty 0. On my pointer nail, I'm just creating black stripes going down the nail. And the key to this look is making the lines as even as possible. And I do apologize for the focusing of the next couple of frames. I guess I was too close to the camera and it did not want to focus on my nails. And any little hiccups I get from the black paint, I just go over with the white paint and cover up the mistakes. on my ring finger, I'm going to go in with that black paint. I'm going to create a spider web coming out of the corner of the nail. And this particular design of the spider web over the holographic nail was inspired by Nails by Cambria. She did a whole set where every nail was the spider web and holographic, and it's beautiful. So I had to incorporate that in this design. So I'm going to be using my Madame Glam top coat, and to go around my Swarovski crystals I am going to be using my Midi Burns brush in Peachy 000. And for my ring finger, I did switch back over to that tackless top coat just because it does well over the holographic powder. And there you have it. Cute mix match Halloween nails. These have all the colors, perfect for Halloween. They're fun, simple to do. I've been getting so many compliments on these. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!